Hey friends, Windows updates push new fixes to the computer, new features, changes to a lot of elements, security updates, and all. But one more thing they push is driver updates. However, driver updates are optional. They are not compulsory. So if you wish to manually update drivers earlier than the time which is given, then the procedure is as follows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab, which is the last tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Advanced Options. You'll find an option called Optional Updates here. Click on it. Now I don't have any updates here, but if you have optional updates, simply check them and then click on Update Now. Check these updates and click on Update Now. I hope this was helpful. If yes, then please let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.